ang pagong ni Dingdong. Si Dingdong ay may alagang pagong. Ito ay si Pong Pagong. Si Pong Pagong ay laging nasa silong
Barong
barong ni Dingdong. Ito ay malapit sa bakuran na maraming
talong.
na talong. I was reading a story titled with letter S. Sam was a boy who loved soccer. He wanted to become a soldier when he grew up. He was strong because he drank soya milk and soup. He ate healthy
Salad.
He sat sofa to wear his socks. Came to park to play in the sand pit. Read story with my Lola. Our family picnic. We are on a picnic. We find the quiet site for us to sit, Mom and Dad.
Stuart was almost always the first person up in the morning. He enjoyed the quiet rooms, the light coming in through the windows, and the fresh smell of day. In wintertime, it would be quite dark when he climbed from his bed made out of a cigarette box. He sometimes shivered with cold as he stood in his nightgown doing his exercises.
I touch my toes 10 times every morning, like my brother George does. George told me that this exercise keeps the stomach muscle.
I'm reading about animals, a lion and a mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up. He got up the mouse and was going to kill. The mouse requested for the lion let him go. After some days, the lion caught in a net. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. The lion was free. Thank the mouse. Naruto is a Japanese manga series. It tells the story of Naruto Uzumaki, a young ninja who seeks
Recognition
from his peers and
dreams of becoming
the
Hokage,
the leader of his village. He's going to save his friends and take them back to Andy's house. Edong is a simple farmer. He lives in the middle of his farm. There is a guava tree